Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Alpadini Valga. I am 35 years old. I am married. I have two children. My eldest is 11 years old and my youngest is 1 year old and 8 months. I am a high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to buy our own house and save money for my children.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, I don't have experience abroad, but I have experience here in Philippines for 2 years.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities for my employer are doing household chores like cleaning, washing, going to market, gardening, and other household chores.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
No, but I took good care of my own children and my own grandmother.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
To take care of baby, you should take care of them by feeding, bathing, changing diaper, giving them vitamins, and sometimes singing lullabies and nursery rhymes.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My other skills are I can cook Filipino dishes and I am very much willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. I also know how to take care of pets because I have a pet dog.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
To be a good domestic helper, you should be loyal, trustworthy, fast learner, and you should have a good time management.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you choose me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, trustworthy, fast learner, and I am efficient and have a good time management. And I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.